Hi, thanks for being with us today. I hope you are well and excited about this topic we are learning today. Maybe you have seen this before, but for sure this video will help you to have it even stronger on your mind. We are reviewing placing values and multi-digit addition. Understanding these topics well is fundamental to move forward to the next grades and next levels. Pause the video anytime you need. Ten thousands, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I have three 10,000s, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add these two together eventually. In both of these numbers, I have 0,000, so I have nothing in this column right now. Here I have 700s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here I have 400s, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I go to the tens place. Here I have 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here I have 7 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then last but not least, here I have 2 ones, 1, 2. And here I have 3 ones, 1, 2, 3. Now let's just rewrite this number up here. This is 4 10,000s. So this is 40,000. I have 0,000s right over there. And then I have 700s. 700s. I have 6 tens, 6 tens, and I have 2 ones. I'm just rewriting the number. I'm going to write the tens in that blue color. So 6 tens and then 2 ones. Having trouble switching colors. 2 ones. So there you have it. This and this are just different ways of representing the same number. And then this down here, I have 3 10,000s. And then I have 0,000s. I have 4 hundreds here. And then I have, 7 tens? 7 tens. And then I have 3 ones. And so now let's add up everything. So I can add it here, and then I can also add up things right over here. So in the standard method, we would start at the lowest place. So we say, okay, 2 ones plus 3 ones is equal to 5 ones. And similarly, 2 ones plus 3 ones would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Fair enough, nothing fancy there. Now for the tens place, 10,000s, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I have 3 10,000s, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to add these two together eventually. In both of these numbers, I have 0,000, so I have nothing in this column right now. Here I have 700s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here I have 400s, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I go to the tens place. Here I have 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here I have 7 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then last but not least, here I have 2 ones, 1, 2. And here I have 3 ones, 1, 2, 3. So in the standard method, we would start at the lowest place. So we say, okay, 2 ones plus 3 ones is equal to 5 ones. And similarly, 2 ones plus 3 ones would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Fair enough, nothing fancy there. Now for the tens place. Well, in the tens place, we have 6 tens plus 7 tens. And the standard method, what you say is that's 13 tens. But 13 tens is the same thing as 3 tens and 100. So what you do is you would regroup. You would say, hey, look, this is 3 tens and 100. Sometimes people say, oh, you're carrying the 1. 6 plus 7 is 13, carry the 1. It seems somewhat magical. But all you're doing is you're taking 10 of the tens and you're regrouping it as 100. It'll be a little bit clearer here. So we have 6 ones, 6 tens, and then we have 7 tens. You add them all together, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 tens. And all we're doing right over here is we're saying, look, this is equal to 100. So let's just convert that into a 100 right over here. Let's just convert that. And so what we do is we just write the 3 in the tens place, and then we add an extra 1 in the hundreds place. And so what we're going to have in the hundreds place now? Actually, let me do it here because it's a little more interesting. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 hundreds. Slightly round down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. But with the same thing, we don't have a digit for the number 12 in our traditional number system. And so what I could do is I could take 10 of these and I could convert it to 8,000. So I'm going to take 10 of those and give myself 1,000. Now we're going to do the exact same thing over here. 1 plus 7 plus 4 is 12. So you'd write that's 2 hundreds, because this is 12 hundreds. That's 2 hundreds plus 1,000. So we just regrouped again. Now in the thousands place, 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1,000. And you see that right over here. You have 1,000. And then finally in the 10,000s place, 4 10,000s plus 3 10,000s is 7 10,000s. 4 10,000s plus 3 10,000s is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 10,000s. And so this number is 71,235. 71,235. So hopefully it all makes sense how these two things will fit together. That what's going on over here. You're not just magically carrying numbers or magically regrouping. You're just representing the same number in different ways. This video has helped you to feel more confident about this math skill. If you are not totally confident, watch it again. Thank you for being with us. Leave us your like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share the video with a friend. I will see